What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as you guys can tell by the title, we did get the apartment, but before we get into the whole video, I wanted to give a huge shout out to my sponsors of today's video, HelloFresh. Now, if you haven't heard of HelloFresh before, HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit. They make cooking easy, fun, and most importantly, affordable. So if you guys haven't had HelloFresh before, essentially what you do is you go on your computer, you log onto the website, and you curate your meal kits depending on your taste buds. So I personally like meat and vegetables, but if you guys like fish, or if you like more vegetables, or if you're even vegetarian, vegan, whatever it is, they have a kit for you. Now, before I continue, I want to let you guys know about a code, which is right here, Sneakerhead12, that you could use on the website by clicking the link down below to get you guys 12 free meals with 4 of the boxes from HelloFresh. Free food, baby. I got you. One of the main reasons I mess with HelloFresh so heavily is because their meals are delicious. All of their ingredients are sourced directly from farmers, so you know the crops are good and you know that they're healthy. Not only that, but there are a variety of recipes that interchange, which allow you to try different cuisines, different foods that you might not necessarily try on a daily basis. On top of that, if you guys are like me and you have an extremely busy schedule, HelloFresh cuts down on going to the grocery store, which I absolutely hate because I never know where stuff is. So all these meals come pre-portioned with the ingredients that you need, as well as the recipes in a box that arrives at your front door. Everything is already pre-calculated to your family size, so you can always change that while you're filling out the questionnaire, which is extremely simple. And since we're on the topic of growing up, moving out, I think this is a perfect option to try if you guys are single Pringles, or if you guys want to start cooking for your girlfriend or something, you want to maybe impress her or impress your family. I definitely wouldn't skip out on this offer. So once again, you could go ahead and click the link down below in the description and use my code SneakerHead12. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the juicy content. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm out here with Dustin right now, and we are on the way to LA, and I feel like...
Reported ahead.
Oh, shoot. Police! I feel like I haven't caught you guys up with a lot of life stuff that's been going on, so... In the last video, I think you guys already saw the apartment tour, but in this video, we're moving in, boys. We're moving in, Dustin! Yay! I have some of my stuff back here, as you guys can see. I wanted to start kind of fresh out there, so I brought the bare essentials, but today we're moving in. Chase is going to be meeting up with us later. Mike won't be able to make it this trip, so it should be interesting. Looks like it's raining today. Thought it was going to be sunny. Packed a whole bunch of shorts. Same thing with Dustin. But this is going to be the first time moving out, and I don't plan on living here full time, so I'm going to be traveling back and forth from the Bay to LA, so doing some business down here, doing some business in the Bay, and just living in 2 places. So that's the plan with this one. We have it for about a year, and I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Turning a new leaf, new beginnings.
Double dip, double dip.
We're double dipping, boys. Yo, we're 5 minutes away, and here's how you know you're in LA. Freaking LA traffic.
Welcome home, baby.
Welcome home. Nice hat, by the way. Perfect for this occasion.
The LA Dodgers.
Oh yeah.
Go Dodgers.
It's our first time here and we already got lost. Beautiful. We're like in a residential neighborhood and we're like, this does not look like the place that we were touring. Boom. Boom. What's this light for? Boom. What's going on, guys? Today, I'm gonna be showing you the official apartment tour. So we don't have Chase here. We got Dustin here though. We're missing Mike, but this is the apartment that we secured. So it's gonna be 3 of us living here, and we literally just moved all the stuff that we had in the car in, and everything else is just empty. So I'm gonna give you guys the official walk around. It's a pretty small apartment, but just give you guys an idea of what we're working with. So here's the little entryway. You start off, boom, boom, entryway. We have Dustin doing some stuff on his phone. Beautiful lighting right here. Small, nice little kitchen. That's where the Food Network is gonna be going down. And then we have a fridge. Boom. Over here, we have our stuff. Living room with a nice balcony. And we're gonna be going over to the bedrooms. So there's 3 bedrooms in this unit. This one is the first bedroom. Okay. First bedroom, probably gonna be Mike's bedroom because this one is the second biggest and he has a huge bed, so your boy's giving up the bigger bedroom for Mike. Thank me later, Mike. This one's probably gonna be Chase's because he will be here full time. This is the master bedroom. Has a super dope window right here. Nice closet. And the cool thing about the master is it has its own bathroom. What's up? Boom. And then my bedroom, let's see, let's walk over here. I get to control everyone's electricity. So on and off when they're being bad, you know, I switch Mike's off. When Chase is being bad, I switch his off. When everybody's good, everybody gets electricity. So this is my room right here. A little bit smaller, but I actually kind of like it because my room at home is pretty small and it gives me like a little cozy vibe. So I'll probably put my bed right here. Nice little desk right there. Maybe a little TV right there. Ooh, that would be nice. I don't know yet. And then of course, my closet. Very nice. Wake up, just open this, turn on the lights. Gotta get some shower curtains. But yeah, this is the bathroom. All right, and that's basically the place. That's some weird lighting, oh my God. Here we go, that's better. So the main goal for today is to buy a couple furnishings for this place. We gotta get some essential stuff. We gotta get some stuff that's not so important, like a TV, maybe a couch a little bit later. But yeah, we're just gonna start furnishing this place slowly but surely. You ready? Let's go. Is that a spider? No, don't say that. Dude, we need trash cans.
Yeah, you can dollar store, bro. Dollar store has cheap.
Dollar store? Is that the hack?
Dollar store, Target.
All right. What is going on?
Does anyone know how to operate this?
We ended up getting a TV from Costco. We'll tell them what happened real quick. I saw this TV and I was like, hey man, it's $550 or something for a 65-inch and it looked really good. So I was like, hey, that's a pretty good deal, So we ended up checking out and it was like $800 and I was like, maybe we just added the wrong TV to the thing, like whatever, F it. And then Dustin was like, no, we're gonna fix this price right now. We went ahead, went to the return section, and basically after everything was done, they ended up giving us like $250 back or something like that. So what happened is they had one TV left, the open box, and that's what was $550. This TV right here retails for 800 something. So we got a brand new TV for the open box price. Dang, this guy is a legend.
You gotta finesse your way in life, you know?
Who is that? Oh my, who is that? Who's back here?
What?
What are you doing?
Oh
my gosh, Chase.
Alex! Bro, what are you doing here?
You're not stuck in the closet.
I was just calling you.
What? Chase? What the? Chase?
Second chase.
What is going on?
I don't know, bro. It's been a really long night. I haven't slept in 6 or 9 days for sure. And you know, I just got here. I'm a little delirious. I'm seeing double. My second one right here. And what are we doing here?
So what's up with your boy? I'm just kidding.
And okay.
Let's change topics. You got a brand new mattress.
Dude, I got a brand new mattress.
Is it comfy?
No one actually sleeps with their head on a mattress anyway. That's why you have.
I've seen a couple of videos like this actually.
Yeah. People like
What's your brother's name again? I keep forgetting.
Taylor.
Oh.
Take it.
I keep wanting to call him Colin.
Oh, hey, you got it. Oh, Colin.
He has Colin's hair.
He's here?
No.
Hey, Colin, if you're watching, just know I'm funny. I got some jokes for you.
All right.
How's it coming?
Teamwork. Teamwork.
Do we have insurance for this one?
Do some pranks with me.
Oh. Wait, where's Chase? Oh, dude, I saw that. What's
hope he knows.
Oh, you're stuck, step bro?
I'm thankful for you. Anytime, step bro.
A few moments later.
Whoa! That's a freaky shit. Dude, no, dude, new apartment. You're scared.
Bro. God damn. Ah, bro. This is what happens when you forget a blanket. Got a new bed though. We're good.
It's comfy here. It's comfy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Good night. First night in the, I was gonna say hotel. First night in the apartment. Gonna end it here. See ya. Oh man, yesterday was a mission. It was a super long day. We ended up just eating at night and basically knocked out. But before we did that, I ended up breaking this little beam right here, this blind. So Chase was like, I think it's stuck. And I'm like, step bro, I got you. So I went ahead. He told me not to yank. And I'll admit it, I did give it a little yank. And basically, this whole thing, this whole top part came tumbling down, and we had to figure out how to get it back up. So the ceilings in here, they're pretty freaking high. Yeah, not even 24 hours and we're breaking things. Today is going to be a different video, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed already. And I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.